Hello my great people, it's your boy Matthew Adama aka Bassmatics, and I'm live at Pro Audio Music Stores, Gariki, Abuja, Nigeria. Today I'm going to be doing my slap bass lessons. I hope you're ready for me because I'm fully ready and your life will never remain the same. So first of all I want you to subscribe to the channel and then turn on your notification if you've not done that yet. So now I'll wait for you. Go grab your bass as we get started immediately. So this session comprises of plucking, slapping, thumb techniques, and the best finger placement for smooth bass slap. I discovered that a lot of people find it difficult to slap because they learned it the wrong way or they just slap out of fluke. When you're slapping, you make sure you deliberate. Make it rhythmic, make it soft, make it musical. And I discovered that a lot of people slap with the side of their thumb. It's going to blast. It's going to give you a sound you will not like. When you slap with this side of your thumb, like here. It will give your tone a balance to bring out the best sound. And then you pluck. For me, I've learned to pluck with two fingers, my index and my tallest finger. So I pluck with the both. That's why you could hear something like pra, pra, when I pluck. So it's best you do your finger exercise right and make sure you are free enough to play. Always be informed as a musician, as a bass player. Always be informed. If your finger cannot bring out what's in your brain, for me it can be very frustrating. If I have something in my head and my finger cannot bring it out. That's why I don't joke with my finger exercise, so that I'm in alignment every time. Whatever I think of, my finger can bring it out. I'll start with a simple finger exercise for bass slapping. That will help you get your balance before you can start playing rhythm and then playing musical slap. So guys, we're going straight to the lesson immediately. So first of all, I want to show you guys simple finger exercise to bass slap. That will help your dexterity and flexibility on the fretboard. Okay, I'm going to do that on the key of C. My C is going to be my C sharp because my bass is tuned downward, -1. So if you've seen my previous lessons, I'm sure you've heard this gist before. So let's get started immediately. So the technique behind bass slap is your thumb, your finger. Some people use one index alone, some people use the tallest finger alone, but I use the both. And then your hammering is very, very important for flexibility's sake. If you're going to be slapping alone without hammering, you're not going to get the best sound. Like, everything should work together. Your fingers must be flexible enough to bring out what's in your mind. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys some exercise that could help you do that. Okay, I call this exercise 1-3-2-4 4-2-3-1. It's very easy. Okay, the way it's going to work is use your index finger with your ring finger, then your tallest finger with your little finger. Same way backward. Little finger to your tallest finger, ring finger to your index finger. Okay? Like this. Let's start with the thumb. Like I told you earlier, don't slap with the tip. Slap with here, not like this. Like this. Then let's go with the pluck. You can do the both. Make sure you position your finger in a way that it won't leave that placement. Like this. When you're plucking, let this not go down or up. Let it remain on that spot. So that it can always do what you want it to do. Let's take it slowly. Like you're playing do, 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 do and do, then D and D, then more and T, then re and to, do, 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 then D, 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 then more T, more T, more T, more T, re, to, re, to. You understand? No. Make sure you master it to the point you can do. It's not going to be easy. Sometimes you sweat and you feel pain, but that's your breaking point. If you're able to go through that process, by the time you get your bass next time, everything will be easier. So. Okay, let's do a little playing on the key of C and 6 and 2 progression. So let's go. So what I did is very easy. So that's what I was talking about, hammering. That was what I did. I slap open string, then held it down. That's hammering. Hammer it. Slap open string, then you hammer on that note. sure you've heard people play something like. So that's what I did, hammering. Slap open string and hold it down. So in our next lesson, I'm going to expand more on double thumb technique, the up and down. In our next lesson, imagine if I'm going to play tonic sulfur with this technique. I advise you do that. Learn it. Very easy. You'll be able to use it. A very simple way to work on your hammering is by doing this kind of exercise. I advise you do it here. Make all these notes sound without you striking anything. If you can try it for 5 minutes with the metronome. It's very painful. It can be painful. But if you can endure it for 5 minutes, you'll be amazed at your speed and flexibility. Yeah, I hope you learned a lot today. I'm sure we covered a lot. So grab your bass and practice everything we talked about. In my next video, we're going to do advanced slap techniques that involves up and down thumb techniques and a lot of plucking and tapping as well. So see you guys next time. I love you guys. So I'm going to be playing a song, Lord of the Harvest by Fred Hammond. Enjoy.
Put your hands together.
Thank you.